Hey everybody, this is Mrs. Dubois, and today we're going to discuss a problem-solving technique called It's in the Bag. For example, we use our backpack to hold things, and we use different kinds of bags to keep things in place. Today we're going to talk about how we use parentheses to keep variables in place. So, Mrs. Carney, Mrs. Bykoff, or Mrs. Dubois, my class, you received a little souvenir from math class with this bag. And inside this bag, you have an explanation of more types of bags and the importance of using parentheses when substituting in for a variable. Of course, your bag, which I'm going to have right here. Actually, just take out this one. All right, this, and then a blank piece of white paper. So if for any reason you are missing something or you left it at school, just get a little creative at home, okay? You can use different colors, even if you decide to be creative, or a different kind of bag. All right, so our main mission here is today, I would suggest that you have some tape and scissors, and I would pause if you need to go get your tape and scissors, all right? And the first thing we want to do is you want to pick a variable. So you can pick any variable you want. I picked M here, and I'm going to let M equal marshmallows. Then I am going to cut this in half. All right, next, I am going to paste outside my bag the parentheses. I'll show you in just a second. All right, I'm going to paste these parentheses outside my bag. All right. Now I'm going to take the blank piece of paper inside, and I'm going to put a big letter M, or whatever variable you chose. You want to put a big variable there, right? And on the back of that, I'm going to put any number. 13 happens to be my favorite number, so I am going to put 15. Okay. So then you are going to, you want the parentheses on the back of your bag, right? So you're going to substitute in or put in the bag your variable, right? So on one side, my variable is M, and on the other side, when I substitute the numerical value in, it will be held in place by the parentheses. Okay? This is especially helpful when you're like solving with complicated problems with negative numbers. It just ensures a greater chance of accuracy. And then we can dress it up. All right, dress up your bag. And you always want to define a variable. So that's why we have, ta-da, let M equal the number of marshmallows. Okay, you pick any variable that you would like. Make sure that you have taped your parentheses on the back and you are inserting the variable into the bag. Let me just do that one last time so you'll see. All right. So when we're giving a problem, such as you can see on my desktop here, all right, we would have a variable such as M. The problem would tell us to plug in a number like 13. We would write parentheses and we would insert the number inside the parentheses. And then if you look on this desktop, I'm going to give you an example, all right, of using parentheses. This says evaluate the expression when 2x plus 5 when x is equal to 2. You are going to use parentheses right there, and substitute in a -2. Then you follow the orders of operations and you get -4 plus 5 is equal to 1. Remember, you can be a little creative if you forgot anything at school or we were missing, maybe you're missing a paper or whatever. Just get out a piece of paper and write it down. It will be all good. And then what we want you to do is bring it to next Wednesday's, which is September 30th. Bring it to the half-day Zoom meeting. All right? Thank you. Any questions, just let us know.